Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to use Stremio add-ons on your mobile device. So let's get started. Open the Stremio app on your device. When prompted, tap on Allow to enable the necessary permissions for the app to function properly. You have the option to sign up with Facebook or create an account using your email and password. If you choose Facebook, tap Log in with Facebook and then Continue as your username. Review the terms and conditions and then tap on Continue to proceed. Once you're logged in, tap on Add-ons from the main menu. Tap on All to browse through all the available add-on categories. Navigate to Community and select Install to view all the add-ons you have installed. To see the add-ons you've installed, select Community. Use the search function if you're looking for specific add-ons by name or category. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.